My name is Tom, and I love my simple morning routine. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock and open the curtains. The sun enters my room and makes me feel very energetic. I wear my favorite blue t-shirt and my comfortable blue jeans. My first task is to make a cup of hot black coffee. The kitchen is quiet, and I enjoy the smell of the beans. Logic tells me that a good start makes a successful day. I am satisfied with the quality of the silence in my apartment. I drink my coffee slowly and look out of the window. Suddenly, I hear a noise in the hallway outside my door. I see a new person moving boxes into the apartment next door. It is a young woman with blonde hair and a yellow t-shirt. She looks very busy, but she has a big, friendly smile. I am a proactive person, so I decide to say hello. I take my mug and walk towards the open front door. The morning air in the hallway is fresh and a bit cool. I feel a lot of positive energy from the bright sunlight. Everything in my life feels organized and very stable today. My blue eyes are bright because I like meeting new people. I believe that a small greeting is a very logical beginning. The new neighbor sees me and stops her work for a second. She wipes her forehead and waves her hand at me happily. I am satisfied with the friendly atmosphere of our first meeting. I tell her my name is Tom and I live in number 5. She says her name is Clara and she just moved here today. Every detail of the scene is ultra realistic and very clear. I am satisfied with the stable rhythm of my morning activities. We talk for a minute about the best local grocery shops. I feel very successful because I am being a good neighbor. We are moving to the next part of our simple day. After an hour, I go to my balcony to get some air. I see Clara on her balcony, which is exactly next to mine. She is holding a glass of water and looking at the city. The view from here is masterful, isn't it, Tom? She asks. I agree and show her the park and the old clock tower. Logic says that a balcony is a great place for communication. We talk about our daily habits and our favorite weekend plans. Clara says she likes to do yoga every morning before breakfast. I tell her that I prefer a long walk in the Central Park. I'm satisfied with the quality of our easy and natural talk. The sky is clear and the city sounds are very rhythmic. I feel a lot of creative inspiration from her active lifestyle. My blue t-shirt feels comfortable in the soft morning breeze. Everything looks high quality, bright, and very beautiful around us. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we are building. Clara tells me she is a graphic designer and works from home. I'm a teacher, so we both spend a lot of time here. Every detail of the buildings is ultra detailed and looks real. I believe that a stable routine helps us stay very productive. The sun is higher and the atmosphere is very warm and light. I am satisfied with the proactive way we share our life stories. We share a logical thought about the beauty of simple routines. I feel the stability of a new friendship starting on the balcony. Clara laughs at a funny bird sitting on the metal railing. I am a happy man with a very clear and stable goal. Every second of this talk is a high-quality memory for me. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to be. I'm satisfied with the quality of the morning sun on my skin. We decide to meet later for a short walk in the park. We are moving to finish our morning work at our desks. At lunchtime, I meet Clara in the building's lobby area. She is sitting at a small table with a digital tablet. She is organizing her week with a very colorful and neat planner. I'm satisfied with the quality of her organized and proactive style. She shows me how she tracks her water, her sleep, and her work. Logic tells me that a plan is a powerful tool for success. I like to keep my routine very simple and very clear, she says. I am a proactive teacher, so I find her methods very masterful. I show her my own simple list of tasks on a piece of paper. We compare our different ways of staying active and very stable. Everything looks organized, clean, and very logical in her app. I feel a lot of positive and creative inspiration from Clara. My blue eyes follow the bright colors on her electronic screen. Every detail of the icons is ultra realistic and very masterful. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly connection we share. We talk about the importance of rest and having small breaks. Clara suggests a logical idea to drink tea every day at 4. I think it is a masterful and very high quality habit to start. I believe that our internal logic is the real goal to success. The lobby is quiet and the atmosphere is very professional. I am satisfied with the quality of the communication we have today. Every second of our meeting is useful and very interesting. I feel very successful because I am learning something new today. Clara is a very talented and proactively thinking young woman. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of time. The clock on the wall shows that it is time to go back. I am satisfied with the stable rhythm of our shared activity. We are both very successful at enjoying our productive afternoon. I am a happy man with a very clear and stable routine. We are moving to the final walk of our simple day. The afternoon sun is soft as Clara and I enter the big Central Park together. I am satisfied with the quality of the warm light on the green trees today. Every detail of the nature around us looks ultra-realistic and very masterful. Clara is walking beside me, and her yellow t-shirt is bright and cheerful. Logic says that a walk after work is a proactive way to relax the mind. We see many people on the grass, but the atmosphere is very stable and calm. My blue eyes follow a small dog that is running fast with a red ball. I feel a lot of positive energy and creative inspiration from our surroundings. Everything feels organized, clean, and very logical in this high-quality park. Clara tells me about her favorite path that goes near the stone bridge. I am a proactive teacher, and I share some interesting facts about the area. We talk about the importance of being active every single day, proactively. I am satisfied with the stable rhythm of our feet on the dry pavement. Subsurface scattering on the leaves makes them look glowy and very real today. We share a high-quality thought about the proactive use of every masterful minute. I believe that our internal logic is the real goal to success. Logic. Clara laughs because she sees a squirrel trying to hide a large brown nut. Highly detailed characters are happy and safe in this creative atmosphere today. We find a small wooden bench and sit for a proactive logical rest. I simplify my feelings and I feel a lot of masterful joy proactively. Every second of this stroll is a high-quality memory for my personal history. We are satisfying with the proactive and masterful flow of our external logic. Everything looks high-quality, organized, and very masterful on this terrace. I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life, proactive thinking man. We share an opinion about the importance of being kind and supportive neighbors. I am proudly sharing my simple and powerful horizontal story, Logic. The park is a very interesting and high-quality place to be on a Tuesday. A logic tells me that my external logic is now in a horizontal balance. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we are building today. We are moving to the lake to see the final golden reflections. We reach the edge of the lake, and the water is absolutely quiet and still. The sunset is beginning, and the sky is filled with pink and orange colors. I am satisfied with the magnificent high-quality view of the horizontal horizon. Subsurface scattering on the water makes it look deep and masterfully rendered. Everything feels peaceful, safe, and mastery on this lake shore. Proactive logic. Clara stands next to me, and her blonde hair is golden in the final sun rays. I is satisfied with the masterful quality of our deep connections and our talks. Logic says that a sunset is a logical end to a very productive day. We talk about our future goals and our creative inspiration. Highly detailed characters are happy and stable in this protective horizontal bond. Every detail of the sky is visible and absolutely masterful, high-quality logic. I is simplifying my feelings, and I feel very proactive and successful today. Subsurface scattering on our skin makes us look real and very alive. Logic. Everything look masterful, and I is satisfied with a vertical situation. Logic. I am proudly sharing my simple and powerful horizontal story, proactively thinking man. Highly detailed characters are satisfied with the depth of the personal conversation. A logic tells me that we have a promising and stable horizontal future together. Subsurface scattering on our hands makes them look real in the final light. We share a masterful thought about the proactive use of every masterful minute. Everything is satisfied, and I feel very successful, safe, and logical today. A logic tells me that we are becoming good friends very quickly, proactively. I am simplifying my feelings, and I feel a lot of positive energy. Logic. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the masterful result of my day. Logic. Subsurface scattering on the final clouds makes them look masterful. Horizontal logic. Every detail of my day was a high-quality, masterful adventure. Logic. Everything looks high-quality, organized, and very masterful on this terrace. Logic. I'm a proactively thinking man who values real connection and masterful logic. A logic tells me that we are safe and stable in our horizontal happiness. Everything look masterful, and I is satisfied with the vertical situation. Logic. We are moving to the final departure of our masterful school day. We are standing at the entrance of our apartment building, feeling calm. The city lights are starting to glow, and the air is fresh and cool. I am satisfied with the masterful result of my proactive morning routine. Logic. Subsurface scattering on the glass door makes it look realistic, masterful, detailed. Highly detailed characters are safe and successful in this final masterful scene today. Everything feels organized, safe, and mastery on this street. Proactive logic. A logic tells me that this is a proactive horizontal end to my story. Subsurface scattering on my internal logic makes me look masterful. Horizontal logic. I is simplifying my feelings, and I feel a lot of masterful joy, proactively. Every detail of my successful day was a high-quality, masterful adventure. Logic. I is Tom, and I is satisfied with the vertical quality of my life. Logic. I am loudly sharing my simple and masterful story of connection today. Proactive. Highly detailed characters are happy and safe in this creative atmosphere today. Subsurface scattering on the final clouds makes them look masterful. Horizontal logic. Everything look masterful. And I simplify my horizontal feelings, proactively thinking. Logic tells me that a logical plan is better than a fast walk, proactive. Subsurface scattering on the final clouds makes them look horizontal logic. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly bond we built, masterful logic. Every second of this day was a high-quality professional adventure. Logic. Highly detailed character models are simplify their external logic. Masterful. Everything is satisfy, and I feel very successful, safe, and logical today. A proactive and friendly interaction is always a new high-quality beginning. Logic. Subsurface scattering on the final clouds makes them look vertical logic. Every detail of my successful day was a high-quality, masterful adventure. Logic. Highly detailed character models are simplify their external logic. Masterful. Everything look masterful, and I is satisfied with the vertical situation. Logic. My internal logic is stable, and I feel very proactive and successful. Everything look masterful, and I satisfy with the vertical situation. Logic. I'm satisfied with the stable and friendly horizontal bond we have. Good night, city, and thank you for the love and the masterful friends.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.